Let's learn how to play 5 Christmas songs on the recorder. The songs we're going to learn to play are Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Jingle Bells, Jingle Bell Rock, Frosty the Snowman, and Deck the Halls. Now if you're brand new to the recorder, make sure to check out my recorder series for beginners first. If you want the sheet music for these songs, check out the link in the description below. Let's learn how to play Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. We're going to do 4 lines of music and then repeat those 4 lines with a variation at the end. Here's what the first line sounds like. That's G-A-G-E-C-A-G. G-A-G. A low E. Going up to C. A-G. The second line sounds like this. That's G-A-G-A-G-C-B. The third line sounds like this. F-G-F-D-B-A-G. When you do F, there are 2 versions of F that you can play. I do this version where I do 2 fingers on it, like this. But you may know the 1-finger version. That one doesn't sound as good on this recorder, so I use this alternate fingering of the 2 fingers. Going down to that D is a little tricky. Use less air when you go down to those lower notes. F, G, F, D. And then B-A-G. Last line sounds like this. G-A-G-A-G-A going down to an E. The lower you go on the recorder, the less air you need. So those are the first 4 lines of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. The next 3 lines are exactly like the first 3 lines, and then the last line is different. So here's the 5th line. Sixth line. Seventh line. And then the last line. That's G-A-G-A-G, high D, C. Now let's learn to play the song Jingle Bells. Jingle Bells is going to be 4 lines of music. The first line sounds like this. So that's B, 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 D, G, A, B. Going from a B to a D is a little bit tricky. Actually, going from the D down to a G is kind of tricky too. So D. The second line sounds like this. That's C, 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 B, 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 A, 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 B, A, D. The third line is exactly like the first line. And then the last line is kind of like the second line, but slightly different. C, 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 B, 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 D, D, C, A, G. If you want to get even better at the recorder, I have a book on my website called Recorder Jams for Kids. It's fantastic for learning how to play along with a beat. Adults can use it too. Now let's learn how to play Jingle Bell Rock. This is my favorite Christmas song. Jingle Bell Rock has 8 lines of music. It has 4 and then basically 4 repeating with a variation on the very end. Here's the first line. That's C, 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 B, 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 A, B, A, going down to E. The second line sounds like this. That's A, B, A, E, G, A, B, A, F. And again, going down to that F, you can use a 1-finger version like this, or a 2-finger version like this where you're using your index finger and your ring finger. My F sounds better with this version. That's why I don't do the single version. Here's the third line. That's starting on a low D. D, E, F, G, A, G, D, E, F, G. And then the fourth line sounds like this. A, G, A, G, A, D, D. Now the fifth line is exactly like the first line. The sixth line is exactly like the second line. The seventh line is exactly like the third line. And then the last line is different. A, B, B, C. Now let's learn how to play Frosty the Snowman. Frosty the Snowman is going to have 6 lines of music total, 3 lines, and then 3 more lines with a variation on the end. The first line sounds like this. That's G, E, F, G, C, B, C, D, C, B, A, G. It's really hard to play D without putting your mouth on the recorder. The second line sounds like this. B, C, D, C, B, A, G, C, E. And then the third line sounds like this. G, A, G, F, E, D, G. Now we're going to do the third line, which is exactly the same as the first line. The fifth line is exactly like the second line. And then here's the last line. G, A, G, F, E, D, C, going down to the low C. This might be the hardest part of this song because we have to go down to a low C, which only takes a little bit of air. If you're struggling with those low notes, I have a video that can help you. Now let's do Deck the Halls. Deck the Halls is going to be 4 lines of music. We're going to play 2 lines, and then we're just going to repeat those 2 lines. The first line sounds like this. That's D, C, B, A, G, A, B, G. And then the second line sounds like this. That's A, B, C, A, B, A, G, F sharp, G. And when you do F sharp, you can do the 2-finger version like this, middle finger and ring finger, or you can just do middle finger like this. Depends on your recorder. The 2-finger version sounds better on my recorder. Now the third line is exactly like the first line. And the fourth line is exactly like the second line.